Hello, ladies and gentlemen. In this session, we will be discussing about how to make bar graphs. A bar chart or bar graph is a chart or graph that represents categorical data with rectangular bars with lengths proportional to the values that they represent. The bars can be plotted vertically or horizontally. So let's get started. First, we need to select one variable from measure values. For example, sales. Double click on sales. And then one variable from the descriptive. For example, category. Here is a basic bar graph. We can expand it from here. We can name the sheet as bar graph. This is a vertical bar graph. We can convert it into horizontal one by clicking on this icon of swapping of the column and row shelf. Here as it is. Now we can also color the bar graphs. For example, if we take the variable profit to the color option, we can see that darker the color blue, higher the profit it is. By expanding it, we can easily see in the technology, the profit is the highest, and the lowest is the furniture. We can arrange the values of profit ascending and descending by clicking on this value where on this pill and clicking on this icon. Also to arrange ascendingly or descendingly the sales pill, click on this pill, click here. Now let's drop the pill of profit from here. And now if we need to make a stacked bar chart where we are adding one descriptive variable into the graph, for example, subcategory to colors, then this will be a stacked bar graph. Or to make it simple, let's take state as of now to the color. Now to name or label each of the columns for the subcategory, take the pill subcategory to the label option. And for the sales too, we can take the sales pill to label. And now we can see that the values of subcategory values and the sales has been mentioned. Now to make a leveled bar graph, we need to take one descriptive variable. For example, we can take segment, drag and drop it to column here. Here we can see that we have three categories here: consumer, corporate, and home office. And for each one, we have the separate bar graph. Now, to make the bar graph interactive, we need to use the option filter. So for that, we are taking the example for subcategory to make it a filter for the bar graph. Click here, click on show filter. Now here, we can select a particular subcategory that can be applied to the whole bar graph. For example, art and also the chairs, etc. etc. There are multiple alternatives or options for the filter. We will be having a separate video for that. Now, this is all for this video. I hope you understand the concept of bar graph, leveled bar graph, stacked bar graph, colored bar graph, and how to make the graphs interactive. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment. Let's meet in the next session. Until then, keep tabs on Tableau. Thank you.